Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a real brief video. This is a 9-year update on a plug repair of a black guy about my age, professional man, and he came in looking like, with his hairline looking like this 9 years ago. Yeah, and we did a little case to just add hairs. Remember, plugs are very similar to like a Christmas tree farm. It's too regular and too much space, and so there are two schools of thought. One is you can dig up those Christmas trees or those plugs and cut them and put them back in. Trees and hair don't like to be dug up and traumatized and put back in. Or you can simply plant some more trees around them, which is what we do. And so we did 400 or 500 grafts to plant in and around his very organized, pluggy hairline. And then we didn't see him until he walked in the middle of COVID. And he wanted more hair, and I'm not sure where we're going to do it. But this is what he looks like at 9 years out. And he's, one is that he wasn't that bad to begin with, mainly because he's got curly hair and a good color match. But he looks better now, and it's that curly, bushy hair that are hard to kill when you plant them, even in scar tissue or bad Virginia clay, like you have after a plug case, that makes it such a good case.
So if you have a pluggy hairline and you want it fixed, we can definitely, there's always something that you can do about it. We can fix those.
Give us a call. Thanks.